Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a item or a new item in my Etsy shop. So without much further ado, let's begin. Today's item is the fastest line sheet item. I say that in parentheses, the fastest line sheet. But honestly, it is somewhat of a fast line sheet and it's faster than most. So this is the line sheet here. It comes with 5 tabs and each one is a different color. First one is blush, cream, teal, gray, and black. And I'm just going to go over to my Etsy store and I'm just going to show you how it works. It's very easy to set up. All you have to do once you purchase it, you will have, I'm going to download it from here, but you'll be going to have a download. And once you download it, all you have to do is once it opens, I already set it up, but what you want to do, I created a file called the fastest line sheet. And within that file, I created a folder called images. So it's very important because you want to make sure you create this folder. This is where all your images will be going. So since I've already saved it, I'm just going to cancel out of here. And I'm going back to the line sheet. So here we are, we're at the line sheet. And all you have to do is then go here to products, add your products. I've already added some products here, the style number. It could be either a number or a name, description, cost, and MSRP. If you think I should add another column, let me know and I could do that. And here we have this here. Each sheet or each tab has 100 rows. So you'll have 500 line sheets you could do at any given time. And basically all you have to do, let's go back to the product list. I made some very easy numbers. So all you have to do, and it doesn't even, the numbers don't even have to be here. All they have to do is be saved in the folder I showed you in the beginning, the images folder. So the folder name is images. Just make sure that you make a folder and you want to put all your images in there. You could put JPEGs and PNGs, and all you have to do, write in the number, and there you go. The image, the information populates. And actually, see, this is not populating because this is one more little detail. You cannot use JPEGs and PNGs at the same time. So you have to type the file name. So if you're going to use PNGs, you will use PNGs. And if you're going to use JPEGs, you will use JPEGs. So the JPEG I have is the shirt. So I know that. So I'm going to delete that. And that's just a sticker from my sticker collection, which I'll be creating pretty soon. I haven't created it yet, but I'm just using them as pictures for my line sheets. So we're going to now write just JPEG. So I just want to make a note that you cannot put a drop down here because it will not work. It would then it will populate, but it won't delete. So you see how I could put a number in and it deletes? It won't delete. So you see here, all the images are populated, and I think I have shirt there. Oh, I have one that's not on the list, but it's blazer. I didn't add all the data, so you can see there. So I'm just gonna take this all out. It's all deleted, and then I'm just gonna go into my PNGs, and I know that I have the shirt image is the only one I have, and once again it populates. So this is really easy to use. All you have to do is take this out, put your personal logo on here, and once you do that, that's pretty much done. And it works with all the other items, as you can see. Once again, I gotta put the JPEG because these are all JPEGs. And there you go. It automatically populates. So as you can see, it's a very easy sheet to use. When you need to delete information, all you have to do is delete it and it works. So I have 2 caveats. One is sometimes something happens, something moves. VBA is like that, and the images will populate, but they won't delete. If that ever happens, all you have to do is close it and reopen it and then delete the images. And then when you export it to a PDF, when you save it and export to a PDF, it will stop the functionality of it. Like, it will not work. So you have to close and then open it again, and then it'll start working again. Once again, you adjust whatever you have. You could delete it, or it won't probably delete itself. And that's it. So I'll show you quickly with the PDF. So when you export it, the one line sheet, I'm going to say yes. I'm going to save. Okay. And then I'm going to come over here. You're going to see it's not going to work. The images are not populating. Sometimes I try to press escape, but it's not working. So what I do is I close it out. And I'm going to say don't save. And then I'm just going to reopen it up all over again. Let's go over here. And then once that happens, it starts working again. You could delete it. So the reason I created this is because I worked in the office, and I worked with sales, and I didn't want to spend I wanted to spend more time designing, and I didn't want to spend my whole time with spreadsheets. So I was like, I need to find a faster way for this. I want to do this in 10 minutes. I want to do my line sheets in 10 minutes max. 60 seconds, idealistically, but 10-minute max. And I decided to create this system, which I do like. And it helped me really maximize my time at work. And I wanted to create one that I thought would be nice for the public, but which would look nice stylistically. If you see this and if you think I should add anything or take out anything, please let me know in the comments section. I always love to update my sheets. I always like to get feedback and see what I have to change. So I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. But once again, I'm going to do 10 items. I'm not going to speed up the clip. You're going to see how fast this is going to take. So you could see, once you set up your initial data, it's going to go pretty fast. I'm just going to start again because I didn't set up a lot of numbers. And there you go. I think I need 2 more to make it 10. And there you go. I've set up 10 items. I don't think there's a number for this. There isn't a number, and I think the reason that is because I wanted to show you that this one here, that you could actually mix up the item and number. So you see it's the item and a number. You could actually mix it up. So you don't have to worry, you don't have to worry that it's an item or just a number. Sometimes you think, well, maybe I need to name it a certain way. No, as long as it's a JPEG or a PNG and you actually have it named that way, then you should be able to actually just create and populate all the images. So you saw how fast that took me. Once initial setup, you could actually copy and paste what you have onto here. And once that's done, it'll make your life go a lot quicker. You can work a lot faster and focus on other things that have to be done. I mean, owning either a small shop or having to manage any type of business, you always want to maximize your time. So this is a great way to do it. So this was my overview of the fastest line sheet, and if you like this item, it is available in my Etsy shop. The link will be down below. So I would love to see any comments if you have any, and thank you for watching. Bye.